Shut up, dog.
It's actually made a pretty good hole in there.
The dog's all whimpering.
She knows Dad and I are back yet.
No, and plus I'm looking out the window. It's all dirty. Shake yourself out, cheapy.
He will when he's done.
Do it. Shut up. So dirty. Dirty, dirty bird.
And that dirt's probably dirtier than anything else in this. Because it was underneath all that recycling.
It's probably cleaner.
Definitely cooler. But Tristan, if you come out in the yard, you can actually see several spots where he's done that. Not out here, in your boys' yard. There's about 2 or 3 spots out over there. Actually, there's one by the bikes, too, if I recall right.
It's probably more over there. With their neighbors.
Yeah.
That's basically where we got cheapy. Boots brought it over. It was Boots or Stash. But it looks so weird.
Feels odd not seeing the piles. You're standing on one of the goals yesterday.
Birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie, birdie. That's basically it. Birding a dust bath.